hey, Jimmy.
I got you a birthday present. I'm sorry about the wrapping paper. It's all Mum had left, but happy birthday.
Oh, sweet. Thanks, bro. You didn't have to give me a birthday present. What is it? Yeah, I mean, the wrapping paper is a bit, girly. Oh, it don't matter though, bro. Thanks, mate. Take this part, ain't you? It's a sock, Jimmy.
Well, yeah, it's a sock. Because everyone needs socks, but I only gave you one because I'll give you the next one for Christmas.
You got me one sock.
Well, yeah, because your birthday's so close to Christmas, I just thought I'll give you one sock now and one sock for Christmas.
I don't care if my birthday's near Christmas. You don't just give me one sock, mate.
Alright, don't need to be so ungrateful. Get you nothing next year.
Get out of my room.
Audience